Hey guys, it's Shayla here. So I went shopping today and I bought myself this pretty new dress slash shorts. So like on the side here, it's like going up here to make it this beautiful, upper dress. And then I will show you the bottom here. And then it comes down as like a short. So, look at that, yeah. It kind of just comes down as a short and hides about 2 inches below your actual butt. And yes, it shows a little bit of your leg, so I think I'm going to wear leggings with this if I go out in it. But it's really, really pretty. It does a lot. You could go to a nightclub with this, and it really is pretty. So this is one of the wardrobes I bought today when I went shopping. I also bought a fabulous new pair of shoes that I'm going to wear with it. And I'm going to show you the other outfits one by one. And this will be this new segment of my shopping haul. I went to the mall today and I just had a lot of fun with my dad. So I wanted to show you what I bought and how I'm going to use it for my videos. Really hope you guys like this. It's just a really, really nice dress. It's really cute. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.